this is probably one of the most unique cases that you're going to see today, just from a utilitarian aspect. I love this thing. There's lots of stuff to love about it. Now, I just took the top off. So that's got a clear acrylic top. It's not plexi, so that's something important to remember about. This is the side. Now, it's got a ton of hard drive storage down on the side here. Those are for your 2.5-inch drives. If you come over to this side, I'm going to take that off now. This is where things start to get interesting, I would say. I can take this case, and now it's on its side. It's horizontal, right? Maybe. This is the beauty of this thing. Now, I would recommend putting the mesh side back on where your fans are. I would not put the solid sides on there. But what's cool about this one, it's completely flexible. So if you wanted to have the fan on the front, top, side, whatever, you could do that. Now I'm going to take the power and put it on it real quick. Turn it on. Now what's funny is my I/O is on the bottom right now. Yeah, that was a mistake here. But what's cool about this, you can see that logo there. I'm going to bring you around to the front here. The logo is even magnetic. So we were wrong with our logo. Let's change it, and now we're right. So this is just freaking cool. That's one of the things I love about this one. Turn it back on for us real quick. There we go. So this is a 200mm fan, just like in the other one. Now, I've done another thing here real quick, which is, remember those Vetroo case fans that I was showing you earlier? I put them right there. Now, this one doesn't come with an upper fan, and you'll see the third that I've added there. So now it's got 3 fans. So I went back to a stock cooler on this, but now that blows the air up, and all of the air comes in and out. Now the power supply, you can set it up whichever way you want on this one to blow in or out. Other cool things I want to show you real quick while I got this is your AIO position is also variable. So there's a cool looking side shot of this machine while it's open. Don't cut your fingers off. This is a trick on how to take these off. You can lift up on this little mini tab and pull back, and these come off completely. And these were stock up on the top. So that's another cool thing, is you can actually move your fan support position. I'm just putting that through to the front, and you put it in there and push forward to lock, and it happens the same on both of these. And so I've moved both of mine from the original stock position, so I'm just putting the side on the way I want it. And like I mentioned earlier, the I/O that you see up front here, this little plate, if you want your I/O on the left side, right side, back side, top side. So this one is the Thermaltake V21 that we were talking about. The Core V21, again, super easy to work in case, lots of options, fits up to an MATX motherboard, has a stock black 200mm fan up front, which works great.